Welcome back to another video. Today is the 13th of January and I'm gonna try and get my four-wheeler started. It's been sitting in the shed for like 2 months not being started. Take some corn up to the blind. It is 22 degrees, it is snowing, and it is so windy. But I was gonna sit up here tonight, jump in my food plot at my house. But this wind, I would probably pass away in a tree stand. It just wouldn't work. Up here where my target buck Captain Hook resides. I'll throw a picture in here. But I'm gonna head down the road to the cabin about a mile, hop on the four-wheeler, go down there, throw some corn out, and we'll sit up there tonight and see if we can't get this 9-point. Throw a picture of him in there. To come in, pretty sure he's a 3-year-old, but he's really nice, bigger than anything I've killed. So it's cold, so let's get to it. All right, got the corn dumped here at the big blind. That's got to be the coldest trip of my life, and now I'm going back. Oh man, it's freezing. A mile is not very far, but my gosh, that sucked. That was a terrible ride and a terrible idea. But got it up there. Gonna sit up there tonight and hopefully let an arrow fly after doing all that. God, that was terrible. Horrible idea. All right, headed back out. Ate lunch. It's been about 2.5 hours, 3 hours. Suited up for war, really, but it is cold. It's just getting colder. It's windy. I got a good feeling about tonight. It's 2:30 p.m. January 13th, 2024. I think this is going to be a good sit, but I'll keep you updated. I've just been sitting here betting on the Cleveland Browns versus the Texans on DraftKings, so hopefully I win some money and shoot a deer. Be a pretty good night. All right, so it's the next day, and not a whole lot going on. Saw a real small buck and then a couple of does there at the end, and then it got too dark. But I kind of waited it out till they left, and some other smaller buck came up. Not the one we were hoping for, but this deer here is the West Virginia buck that I killed this year in October. Got him back, and he looks fantastic. But it snowed even more last night. I was thinking about going out tonight, but not gonna do it. I don't want to burn that spot out. But thanks for watching. We're really about at the end of the season, so odds are we probably won't kill one this year in Ohio, a buck at least. But if I see an opportunity, we'll keep trying. But I guess we'll see you next time.